Fascinating project, Organizational Leadership 4343, Leading Change, July 22nd, 2015, presented by Robert Blackwell. This class presented a lot of information on leading change. After viewing this material, I have related these topics to current and past experiences with change, and I have reflected on ways I could have been more effective at changing the culture and strategy of the organization to make it more proactive in the future. I really like the topics of organizational development, culture, group and teams, process intervention, and they have given me a new perspective towards organizational change and how to effectively achieve it. All organizations are dynamic and facing internal and external threats or opportunities, driving forces of either global or domestic impact, be it standards, processes, government regulations, technology, competition, politics, or numerous others. As a manager or a leader of an organization, I must be aware of these factors and change accordingly to meet the current and future goals. They can affect the bottom line of the company and cause a need for change in the processes, technology, or service of the operation. Nonprofit organizations are similar with the exception of strategy and mission to me, but are in need of increased concern for awareness concerning group cooperation, power, and competition integration. Each company has a strategy, structure, and culture which encompasses its mission and vision for the future and goal achievement. The driving force for change can force small sequential changes or complex changes upon an organization, sometimes resulting in a complete re-engineering of the organization. Variables to consider when implementing change are the degree of change, time available, the impact on culture, the evaluation of change. Organizational development is a long-range effort that creates an awareness of the environment, improving the organizational ability to survive by changing its problem-solving and renewal processes through process intervention. Incremental change or long-term planned changes relying on collaboration and participation of its members. Transformational change is immediate, drastic change based on the dimension of time, level of support received, and the degree of discontinuity with the environment. The four types are participative, charismatic, forced, and dictatorial. Any of these changes require that someone lead the change. The advocate of change must increase the driving forces for change by demonstrating the dissatisfaction with the present situation, the pressure towards change, and build motivation, including momentum towards a change. Also, the advocate must plan for resistance to change things such as uncertainty, fear of the unknown, etc., and try to reduce these focuses and forces. The change agent can create a climate conducive to change, then create a vision and clearly articulate the vision, create a climate of effective communication, perhaps even an open book management system, create a leadership of management, involve members in the change and seek participation, offer reward systems for the change and positive behavior, and reduce the resistance. I assisted the owners in building a new company from the ground up. I started the company with a TQM, continuous improvement approach, and developed operating procedures, SOPs, for each department and members, which eliminated role conflict and ambiguity. We worked cohesively as a team, which enriched the jobs, and everyone took pride in what we did, and we did it right. Everyone communicated effectively and effectively negotiated for resources. The diversity of the team members reduced groupthink. We led to an empowerment of employees. There were no politics due to the very flat structure, and the conflict resulted in a form of integration that built stronger problem-solving techniques and even a smarter workforce. New employees were immediately able to socialize to the culture and build relationships with fellow workers, forming a creative individualism, which created an even more diverse ideas on current threats or opportunities. A very successful company that was evolving every day, continuously learning and embracing change. The biggest thing about that was that culture played a very important part. The old company had more of a status quo, let's just get it done. The new company we built with continuous improvement, everybody was involved, we all worked as a team. Culture takes time. We didn't have the time to make that change, so we had to more or less change the behaviors and the thought patterns of the individuals, which led to a smarter, more effective company. Thank you very much.